e Crianças, a dupla mais engraçada e fofa da internet. Prepare-se para sorrir do início ao fim com essa incrível compilação de momentos hilários e adoráveis entre crianças e seus animais de estimação. Neste vídeo, reunimos os melhores clipes que mostram por que os animais são os companheiros perfeitos para as crianças. Desde brincadeiras divertidas até situações inesperadas, essa dupla sempre nos surpreende com muita fofura e risadas garantidas.
She went from playing with dolls to wrangling piglets. Talk about a career change. The rare moment of harmony between a cat and a baby human feels like a fragile peace treaty. The bunny is her constant furry shadow, following her everywhere with a quiet loyalty that only animals seem to understand.
Salut les mameux!
This angel's heart is always open to share with her new friend.
Got your chitty? I'll give her a kiss. Oh, she loves you, Blaze.
The cat gave the twins the once-over, taking a big whiff to make sure they were legit.
Don't mind about it in his bum. Don't look at his bum. No. No. No.
Adults sometimes can't understand love as much as she does. Kitten probably wants to mark his child's paw with her sweet bite.
Sit and go! Go! Are you riding your pirate ship with Jelly Bean? Are you riding your pirate ship with Jelly Bean?
The alpaca's trying to see if the kit's hair is made of cotton candy.
Put it in the goat water.
Can someone explain to me what exactly is going on here? Huh? Pretty sure she's not supposed to be in there. At least not with all those feathers on.
Because of her sweetness, she can add a friendship to her list immediately. Babies and animals are the most protected relationship. Have a nice day.
Hello, everyone. Watch as this tired cat finds comfort and rest under a motorcycle after a day filled with hard work. He was so lazy to walk that he went down the stairs like this. Looks like he needs extra exercise to lose weight. Can you handle this playful kitten getting stuck in a tube? It turns out cats really like water. See how they play and act. When the cat saw the shrimp, he thought, why not? Let's make a feast. Watch what happens when a curious cat meets a bold goose. You won't believe their hilarious reactions. Cat and mouse moments that make us laugh. When Mom needs some alone time, but your little one has other plans.
Oh my god.
I owed him up.
Real life Toms and Jerry. When cats want to clean, but there's a challenge. Anyone have a similar experience? Who's more dominant over the kitten, guys?
¿Cómo que qué? O sea, que hay mucho gay, pues, pero, o sea,
Al final siento que antes como que no lo veían tan así, ¿sí? ¿Sabes? O sea, como que era la moda también, como andaban así, velos, las greñas largas.
¿Por qué te ves así?
Así, ¿te acuerdas?
And I will always love.
No.
You.
What's going on? Am I being adopted by a regular person or what? Even if you're the owner of the house, you can still get scolded by those cats. You are the chosen one among countless options, bro. Even the king of naps is surprised by how soundly this girl is sleeping. Cats are trying to take over the world, and you have to believe when you see this.
Here's a funny story. Ow! That one hurt.
He wants to get up on your arm, baby. It's okay. Aw, give him a kiss.
What warms Mighty's heart this winter isn't the fireplace, but his care. This parrot could spend all day telling a child how sweet his kisses are.
What's that? Hello, Daddy.
So smile. He's smiling. He's smiling.
With a completely deadpan expression, the cat is attempting to rock the baby to sleep. This girl now only serves food to her VIP customer, but also serves love to her.
Good help. You know?
Yeah. You're funny.
From the first second she saw Bunny, she was ready to become a big sister.
Okay, where are we going with Pumpkin? Say hi, honey. Hi.
The goat keeps leaping onto its little human, proving that friendship is best expressed at full bounce. Cat realizes the only thing that helps him have a good dream is his little boy's warmth.
What is it though?
I don't know.
It's a frog.
Aww, it's so baby though. It's mine.
You gonna pick it up? Ooh. Where is he?
He's right there.
Oh my.
You can pet him down.
He's stuck.
Yeah, he's stuck. He can't get out.
You were gonna feed it to the cat anyway.
She probably wished she were a fish so she could talk to him. A parrot and a toddler boy. It's a showdown of stubbornness over who controls the water bottles.
Ставь на место.
She's giving her bearded dragon a taste of the wild. Well, the park.
Robots and AI better watch out when cats learn to click the mouse.
Are you done being rude? Oh, apparently not.
No.
Girl, you went way overboard with your costume. You're infringing on my copyright.
Alright, good night, Gally. Alright, Mac. Good night, Bob.
This couple is definitely gonna steal the spotlight at prom, huh?
Oh, your butt is right. Why would you do that to me? Stop.
This VIP guest should be prioritized, but maybe she's just pretty laid back. So kind, huh?
Rosie. Ma'am, I'm trying to walk on here. Ma'am. Okay.
But they also tend to be more patient at times, right? Take those cats to the vet, and you'll see their true devilish nature.
What is he doing? Bro, he's getting smoked, bro.
Cat lovers will definitely appreciate this motivation when trying to lose weight. I bet when cats sleep like this, you can't help but turn into a comfy mattress for them.
It's not time to make a change. Just relax, take it easy. You're still young, that's your fault. There's so much you have to know. Find a girl, settle down. If you want, you can marry. Look at me.
And that's all for today. Catch you soon in the next videos.